Taking a step into the healthy land of weight loss for the very first time might feel a tad bit intimidating, but by keeping the helpful tips listed below in mind, you will soon find yourself losing the extra pounds and feeling better about the way you look and live. If you wish to learn a simple morning habit that helped a mother melt fat off her body in a month, read our description. If you're having trouble staying motivated to lose weight, make sure that you have a clear goal in mind, and remind yourself about it frequently. If your goal is to lose weight to be more attractive, remind yourself every morning. Say it out loud, I'm going to lose weight and become more attractive. Losing weight takes a considerable amount of time, and so you should celebrate each small victory. Remember to take notes of your clothes size, your actual weight, and even your measurements. This will help you to stay motivated, as the inches will probably start decreasing much faster than the pounds. Plan out your meals ahead of time. You'll be less likely to stray from your weight loss regimen when your healthy, low-cal meals for the entire week are written down on paper. Cross off each meal that you successfully eat as planned, and this will give you a sense of accomplishment. Weight loss may seem like an impossible goal, and if you only focus on the actual loss, it will be quite difficult. Make sure to factor in all of your other goals while you are losing weight. This allows you to have more small victories and stay more motivated. You may be tempted, when trying to lose weight, to cut fat out entirely. But it's important to remember that fat has a high satiety value in foods, so a little will go a long way. Case in point, baked potato chips may have no fat, but because of that, they don't trigger your satiety level as quickly as regular or even the fat-free Olestra chips do. So, you're tempted to eat the whole bag. Better, for example, to eat a small amount of high-quality, high-fat food, let's say, a small high-end dark chocolate bar, then to gorge on large quantities of low or non-fat foods. You'll be more satisfied without having to say no to treats. If you're not making weight loss progress, take a look at the labels on your food. You may think you're making healthy food choices, but actually consuming foods filled with trans fats. While the best thing you can do is avoid processed foods altogether, careful label reading can help you with your weight loss goals too. Any genuine effective weight loss plan will stress the point of losing weight slowly rather than quickly. The physical reason for this is that it can be dangerous to your health to lose weight too quickly. From a mental perspective, you will feel that you have accomplished your goal and go back to your habits, which will result in regaining that weight just as quickly. A real weight loss plan involves a lifestyle change which not only lowers your weight but keeps it low. The change happens slowly. Don't keep foods on hand that go against your diet plan. Clean out your fridge and cupboards when you start your diet, and give away anything you know you shouldn't eat. Stock up on good-tasting healthy foods instead. You won't find yourself tempted nearly as much if your forbidden foods aren't easily accessible. So, after reading and applying the helpful tips listed above, you should feel a bit more at ease in the land of weight loss. You should feel empowered and ready to begin taking better care of your body, so that you can lose the weight and make positive changes to your life.